students. Today we are going to start the last topic of this chapter, that is potable water. Now what does the word potable here means? Potable means that water which is fit for drinking, which is safe for drinking, which is pure for drinking. As you know that water which is supplied to our homes, that is not free of impurities. It is filled with a number of impurities. Also in villages, small town, water is directly taken from wells and hand pumps and rivers. ठीक है, water was to be treated to make it suitable for drinking. Now that water that is suitable for drinking is known as potable water. Now at homes, water can be made potable. How we can make in home we can make the water potable, that is we can make water safe for drinking by killing the germs in the following ways. First is by boiling the water for 10 to 15 minutes. It kills all the germs. A special type of light called ultraviolet light is used to kill the germs, which is used in several water purifiers. Water is passed through special membrane called semi-permeable membrane, which has very fine pores through which water can pass under pressure. This technique is also known as RO. They remove all the solid impurities as well as germs. Next method is by using chlorine powder or bleaching powder. It is added to water to kill germs, which is known as chlorination. We should not use more chlorine tablets than specified because these are also harmful to us. They may cause some stone problems in our body. Now there is one activity to filter muddy water by using a filter paper. You have seen that how they have folded the filter paper to make a cone shape, and then they have poured a muddy water slowly into the funnel. You can see filter paper cone, then muddy water जो है mud is removed and a clear water is obtained. Now here is one diagram which shows that how water purification system water works. They have taken a reservoir, then there is one sedimentation tank which allows solid to settle. ठीक है, जितने भी सॉलिड इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं वो सेडिमेंटेशन टैंक में सेटल हो जाती हैं. देन अनदर वन इज़ योर लोडिंग टैंक टू सेडिमेंट द सस्पेंडेड इम्प्योरिटीज़. नेक्स्ट जो है उसमें क्या है, फिल्ट्रेशन टैंक है. ठीक है, अब आप देख सकते हो सब कुछ जो है वो सेपरेट हो गया हुआ है. ग्रेवल इज़ stone like appearance, coarse gravel, sand and water, they all are separated in different sections. And last, that is a chlorination, is chlorine tablets are added to kill the bacteria. And next they have supplied the homes proper drinking water, that is potable water. Now next is water treatment plant. Water supply to our homes is made potable in the water treatment plant, and the process is कैसे water treatment plant से वो करते हैं अभी आपको मैंने बताया है. To remove the larger solid particles या impurities, sedimentation and decantation करी जाती है. ठीक है, after that alum is added to the water to separate the smaller particles by making them heavier so that they settle down. ठीक है, अब सबसे पहले क्या किया जाता है, सेडिमेंटेशन या डिकेंटेशन किया जाता है कि लार्जर जितने भी पार्टिकल्स हैं उनको रिमूव कर दिया जाता है. उसके बाद क्या किया जाता है, उसमें क्या ऐड किया जाता है, एलम. एलम क्या करता है, जितने भी स्मॉल इम्प्योरिटीज़ के पार्टिकल्स हैं उनको क्या हैवियर बना देता है ताकि वो नीचे सेटल हो जाए. ठीक है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड लोडिंग. नाउ वाटर इज़ देन फिल्टर्ड बाय पासिंग थ्रू फिल्ट्रेशन टैंक. जर्म्स को किल किया जाता है बाय एडिंग क्लोरीन टू दी वाटर. Now the last topic is that how we can conserve water. What are the methods to save water? The main purpose of water conservation is to increase the amount of clean water availability. First method is use less water and avoid wastage of water. While brushing your teeth, do not leave tap water running. यूज़ बेटर मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन सच एज ड्रिप इरिगेशन, जितने भी टैप्स आपके घर में अगर कोई लीक कर रहे हैं तो उनको रिपेयर कराएं। एम्फसाइज वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग ऑफ रेन वाटर को सेव करके उसे यूटिलाइज़ किया जाए। As pollution is no longer a distant phenomena, it is affecting the quality of our daily lives. Unless we all realize our responsibility and start using eco-friendly processes, the very survival of our planet is in danger. So it should be an individual responsibility to save water, to save the environment. Okay, thank you students.